The University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee School of Architecture and Urban Planning is one of the largest schools of architecture in the world. We have a lot of cutting-edge technology available for the students to use and experience. It gives them a set of skills that makes them very employable once they leave the program.
I've always knew about the technology that is used here, but I didn't know that as a student that I would be able to actually get to use them. So it was really fun getting my hands onto that technology.
The laser scanning suite that we have available to them, I believe, is arguably one of the most sophisticated and complete in the world. We have 3 different laser scanners available. We also have drones, various cameras, and the technology that uses photogrammetry.
I saw the capabilities that this technology has, and I saw that I was going to be able to grow my skills to be more capable to do more things.
I decided to use FARO equipment in the classroom because it was something I was familiar with, and I've been using them since 2007. Their customer service is excellent.
When I walked in the studio and saw all of these student projects using our technology, I was floored that these kids are now being prepared for the future. They're getting hands-on training with this technology, using the technology that we sell to construction and architectural professionals right now. They're able to use it and actually apply it to a job right when they get in their day one.
It looks difficult at first how to figure out things, how to scan, but when you realize the precision of this technology, you realize that it is much more beneficial than what is happening in the field currently.
We give them the tools and the experience to use these tools so that they can make their jobs better, easier, and more affordable for the industry.
They can learn and they can train and they can understand how to use it before getting into the actual career.
Being here at UW-Milwaukee has helped me gain a lot more experience that I didn't know that I'm capable of.
It's going to help me in whatever kind of job I have, because it makes surprisingly easy to make the translation from physical to digital.
I definitely feel more confident using them now.
It makes them so valuable to the firms that are hiring people that it gives them that set of skills that makes them stand above all others.
The FARO technologies that are being used in this classroom are by far beyond what some of the field is doing out in reality today.
I firmly believe that we have the upper hand because of this technology. It makes you faster. It gives you more information.
The technology provided here at UWM has definitely given me an advantage to go out in the professional field and introduce it to the firms that are not currently using it and take it forward in the field of preservation studies.
I want to go to the historic preservation field. I feel like it's going to be really helpful in reverse engineering or scannings of like old buildings or pieces of terracotta in the facades.
The reason to give these students the best skills before they graduate, I want the school to be the best, and I want my students to be the best. And this technology does that.